Hello students, welcome back to the series, and in this series we were discussing about the NEET 2022 question paper code R1, and we are discussing the chemistry portion here. And till now approximately 32 questions we have done, and let's see the question number 83. So the question number 83 is basically about the question in which they were asking you the IUPAC name of the coordinate compound. Okay, in this there are certain rules for the coordinate compounds, and the IUPAC naming for the coordinate compound is done that first of all you have to write the name of the cation and then the anion. And if the both are the coordination spheres, then in that case what we are going to do, first of all you have to write the name of ligand, then you have to write the name of the metal which is present there, and then similar pattern you have to follow for the anion. So now let's see here. In this case, they have given you the silver, which is connected with the water. So water is the ligand here in the cation part. And second, what they have given you, silver, it is attached with cyanide here. And that is your anionic part. So first of all, you have to find the oxidation state. So what will be the oxidation state here? So oxidation state of cyanide is basically -1. So the charge on the cyanide is -1. So we have 2 silver plus the 2 cyanide which have -1, and for water there will be no oxidation, and this should be equals to 0. So for the silver we can find the oxidation state to be 1. So the oxidation state of silver here is +1, and here also it's +1. So in this case, the option where the silver oxidation state is written to be +2 in the Roman numbers, that is wrong. So by default, I can cancel out my option 2 and option 3, because in the Roman number, they are saying the oxidation state is 2. Now let's see how do we write the name. So first of all, we have to write the name for the cation. So let's start with the cation. So cation name is basically, we have silver and water here, and water is your ligand. So first of all, we have to write the name for the ligand, and there are 2. So the word di is used. Di. As water is acting as a ligand here, its name will be aqua. And then we have Ag. Ag is basically your silver, and the oxidation state is 1, which is written in the bracket. Now, similarly, I have to name the for cation, anion part. So in the anion, what will happen? First of all, I have to write the name for the ligand. So here ligand is your cyanide group, and there are 2 cyanide groups here. So we have to write the word di for it. Di. And when the ligand is cyanide, in the that is not called cyanide, it is called as cyanido. Nido. I-D-O. Now here we cannot use the word silver, because the metal, when it is present in the anionic part, then in that case we use their different name that is ended with the 8, and it is called, for silver we are going to use argentate. And the bracket we have to write the 1. So now let's see which option matches with this one. So the option first is matching. That is, first the name of cation, then the name of anion. And in the fourth option, what they have done, they have written the name of anion first and then cation. And that too even wrong actually. In this case, they have written the di aqua here. And here they have used the word cyanido. So the actual name of this compound is diaquasilver 1-dicyanidoargentate 1 in the Roman numbers. So this is the IUPAC naming for the coordination compound, and thank you for watching till the end, and stay tuned for the coming more solutions.